Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about one expense you can cut to help build wealth, which is dining out. Let's get into the video. Cutting certain expenses from your budget and life will have a significant impact on your finance and wealth building capability. Therefore, dining out, eating out at restaurants, or ordering takeouts can be a significant drain on your wallet. Consider cooking more meals at home to save money. Meal planning and preparing your lunches can save you hundreds of dollars each month. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.